In this final video of this module, we'll look at another Java modifier, namely final. So the final keyword is another modifier, and it slightly changes the behavior of the class, method, or variable that it's on. Let's first talk about what the final keyword does when it's placed on a class. When a class is final, it means that the class cannot be extended by other classes. So for example, if I would make the class memo final, we would get problems. Why? Because it has two children. And as you can see, it says here that it cannot implement memo, cannot inherit from final interfaces memo. Okay. By the way, the interface is the package that we're in, okay? So this is not related that it should be an interface or something, but I've just made a package interfaces for this. So memo, the fix would be make memo not final, which is actually what I'm going to do because I don't see a use for memo being final here, but I just wanted to demonstrate the error that we would get. When a method is final, this means that the method cannot be overridden in a child class. And a variable can be final too. This means it can only be assigned a value once. So on a variable, it indicates that a variable is a constant and cannot be modified. So let's create a final int. I mean, this is a nonsense int at this spot, but I just want to show you that I cannot give this a value for the second time because it's final. As you can see, we get red squigglies and it says cannot assign a value to final variable x. So that's a problem. The obvious solution would be to make it not final. But let's remove this for now. I just want to demonstrate the functionality. And then one more thing. There's a concept called effectively final. And this means that even though a variable is not marked as final, the code would still compile if it was marked as final. This means that this variable only gets a value assigned once, otherwise it would not compile with the final keyword on it. Alright, that concludes a quite tough module on interfaces, abstract and final. I can imagine this is really hard, so please don't give up. Get some practice with it and you'll see that you improve your understanding of these concepts by working with them.